We got some snow this time around.
Me love Jamaica, me nah say no. Blessings, blessings. Oh, blessings, blessings, blessings.
Alright, so I'm here at the Jamaica Observer All-Woman Vision Board Workshop. You remember I had gone to the stationery store to get all my stuff. So now I'm at the workshop. I'm going to show you a bit of me creating my vision board. So come with me. So I'm now inside. See my little case with my items here. And I got these printed just now. And I did these yesterday morning. I did these yesterday. So, and I brought my card as well. So, let's see. So we got these roses. And we're going to make some bouquets. So I came prepared. Rose earrings. Rose. That was sitting here. Making the bouquet, cutting off the stems. This is what my bouquet looks like so far.
Meanwhile,
Wow, look at the cars.
Yo. Guess we got some snow this time around.
Me love Jamaica, me nah say no.
Man at work. Oh, you cool?
Yeah, me just urban youth. Look at this one still on fire, but we just trying to take off the excess, you know.
On a long sparring.
We expected a lot of snow, but not this much. It's been a while since we've seen so much snow, and honestly, I don't like it because it's me have to clean it up.
I mean it do because you don't want it to pile up.
Yeah, peeps. This are going right now. The whole place snowed out. I may take my mad self gone a Pizza Hut. Not even Pizza Hut. Domino's. Yo. Snowboarding?
No, just sledding.
Oh, sledding. Yeah. White boy them do them white boys.
shut up!
Just got these a while ago because we're going to be playing bingo. So hopefully we win something today. So I just won money bingo and I won this cute little thing from JMMB. And I got another. I won another thing. I won this from the face place. So I'm a winner. And my bouquet. Alright.
Blessings. Oh, blessings, blessings, blessings. Oh. Subscribe, click the notification bell, and follow the Davidson Diary journey. Thanks for watching.